Hey, North County! This year, we are so excited to share that we have kids' Christmas boxes. These Christmas boxes are full of festive activities that bring the story of Jesus' birth to life in a fun and creative way. For $10, your child will get hands-on activities, a book, and games that will help lay out the true meaning of Christmas. We think these boxes will be fun for the whole family.
Absolutely, every single one of you. And in the spirit of Christmas, we hope that you'll consider not only bringing these boxes into your own homes, but also bringing them into the homes of friends, family, and neighbors as a way to share the good news about Jesus.
It is such an honor to celebrate Christmas with you and your families, and we hope that these boxes will give an opportunity to connect with others as we focus ourselves on Christ and the peace and joy that He offers to the world.
Thank you for being part of our family, and we hope that you have a very merry and bright Christmas season yourselves. See ya!